Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Workfly, and today I have an unboxing to do. So I'm going to show you what I purchased from Temu and from just one product from Amazon. I'm going to tell you all about it. I'm not sure if I got it, but hopefully I did. Hopefully I did get it from Amazon. Alright, so let's do this now. So this is the package, guys. I would have to bring down the camera just a little bit but you're not going to be able to see everything. You're not going to see my head. See there, it's not even showing on camera. I try my best to set up, but it was wasting a lot of time, guys. This is the best I can do. So let's start. I have my handy dandy scissors here. What I'm gonna start with? I'm gonna start with the big package. Well, it's only one package. Only one big package. So I'm gonna start with that one. Okay, see here. Alright, so I purchased some dresses for work. It has been 2 weeks now since work has already begun. I'm gonna do like what I wore for the week, so stay tuned for that. So you're gonna see how the dresses look on me. I'm not gonna try it on this video, so you just have to stay tuned. I wonder if you guys are hearing me. Let me turn up the volume. Yes, guys, so as I was saying, I have some dresses here. I'm not gonna try them on camera. I'm going to do what I wore for the week as a teacher. This next week coming, so you have to stay tuned for that. I'm not gonna try these on camera. I got these from Temu for under $8. I was determined not to spend over $10 on a dress, so everything here is under $8. In Jamaica, I would have gotten for $2,000 odd dollars or more. All right. Based on the fabric type, trust me, this one would have cost about $3,000 up. All right, but let's see how they look, guys. Not gonna try them on. I'm just gonna show you. Look there. This would have been $3,000 up in Jamaica, but I got it for under $8. And it comes with a belt. You'd have to stay tuned. This seems long though. Guys, a patient close me realize me by for work, you know. Because I'm short, guys, I'm thinking that when I put it on it's going to be long, and then it end up not to be, because some people has too much around there. Alright, so when I put the dresses on, the back part is shorter than the front. Like seriously. I tell you why. But that is why I bought them long, you know. I bought them really, really long, so nobody can say nothing to me. Say I have on short clothes. But here it is. Them really long. Probably have to cut some of them are wear to church, but we will see how that goes. Oh, this one look like the same thing too. What is this? Oh. Oh. Alright, so this now, which doesn't seem like it works, because I got it for under, what, $2? This doesn't do anything. They say it can stick on any surface. By the way, I have my little betta fish here. For those who don't know, I like betta fish. It only can stick on these types of surfaces, so I don't know how this is gonna work. It cannot stick on the wall, guys, but it can stick on here. But we'll see how that works. I think I might use it for when I'm showing you guys little wash routine here routine thingy, and I have to stick it on the bathroom wall, so it might come in handy soon. Alright, so I bought some clothes for my kids, some pants for my kids. I didn't buy any shirt. This for one, this it's like I will take you a little bit. This is definitely for my son, because this is big at the foot. Yeah, this is a boy jeans. These dresses are so long. Alright, so this is the next one, guys. The belt fell on the ground. Came with a belt. Just stay tuned, guys. I feel long dress never wear. Nobody can say me work clothes short anymore. And it's not even short, you know. But no man, oh, this so short. This one I figure wear. I don't know why this is gonna wear, so probably on a date or something. But we'll see. I'm gonna try them on, so just stay tuned for that video, what I wore for the week. Right? I think I'm gonna do a short with it also to show you guys what I wore. But let's see how that goes. Alright, so this one should be for my daughter. Let's see. Oh, it's for my son. Which one? Yeah, this is definitely a girl pants. Let's see. Yeah. Because of the foot. Yeah, the foot look. But it can't fit. Look here, might give me the sorry. This is definitely a girl pants. So I'm gonna let them try it on and show you the fit. When they grow it out, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut here, make like a knickers pants. Yes. Nobody got time to waste money. Nobody got time. Alright, so the what is so the last dress, yes, long, it's so long. And it comes with a belt. Really want to try them on now, because I don't know if they fit right. I probably have to bring some of them to the tailor. Alright, so this one now, they say can stick anywhere. This, what is this? I don't know. Then this is it. don't have a phone. Bring your phone, come. Alright, so that's it for the big package, guys. I'm gonna put back these little things in it. It says on and off. So I'm going to. So right now it's not sticking. So I'm gonna test it on this. Alright, so see there, it stick on something when it says on. I really trust it. It has a little bit of magnet in there, but this can't hold on. So I guess where's the thing? Where did I put it? So let's see if I could try. I'm gonna try this on the back like that. Like that. Then I'm gonna stick it. See that, guys? Yes, me friend. Alright, guys. So now for the second largest package. This thing was delayed probably 2 or 3 times. These packages. Alright, so in this is another dress. It's so long. Okay. Here, brown, I deal with, you know, the brown then. Alright, guys, stay tuned for the video. What I wore. Alright, so that's one package now. This came in it, so I'm gonna cut this now. Open that yet. What is this? Oh, I bought this for my kiddos. Alright, so this is it, guys. I bought this for my kids. Let me clear this off. On off button right here. Oh, so once it's on, you can clean it off. Hey, me friend. See it there? Nice. Yes, always do myself. Thank you. Alright, so that is it for that one. No, let me pull this one. You have to wait. Alright, so this one, what is this? All of them packages have to be fit in there. This is a boy pants. Alright, so this is a jeans. Either for my son or my daughter. It looks like my son. Alright guys, let me open this now. So this, guys, is my camera glasses. So that means I can video in stores without holding the phone like this and showing you guys the camera is in the glass. It's probably not going to be the best of quality, but I just want a little clip. I just want a little clip me want, and the people in the store now and they don't want me to video. So only a little clip can be a little bit of bad quality, guys. So, but we see. Probably doesn't have to be a real bad quality, but we see. We'll see. Alright, so it comes in this little case thingy. It has this thingy and it has these in it, the same or the whatever you want, the storage device, the cleaning thingy has the instructions, and here it goes. Whoa! Hey, I can now get footage in the stores. Perfect. Perfection. Perfection. Last but not least, my book. You heard me right. My book that I written. Well, sort of, kind of. Copy and paste. So this is my book, guys. Let's see the quality, guys. So it's from Amazon Prime. I don't know if there's any written errors in there. If so, I would have to probably edit it and then upload it back to Amazon. So I'm so nervous to check it, because sometimes when I'm online I don't see the mistakes, but when I have it physically in my hand and reading it, then I sometimes see, or most times, all the times, I see the mistakes where I should have done this a little bit better, should have edited that a little bit better. But I had a few purchases last year. It's not much, so I still have time to edit, right? I still have time to edit before it goes out to a lot more people, so I'm not too worried. I'm just gonna show you how to get results. It has some scriptures in there, and you have, I'm going to show you the content. Oh my god, it's so perfect. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my god, it's so cute. I did great. Why they couldn't brush out the book? Them people, yeah. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, my first book, guys. My first book. And there's more to come. I'm working on it. Alright, guys. So that is the end of the video. Thank you very much for liking, subscribing, commenting, etc. Continue to do so. I have more videos coming up, so stay tuned, guys. I will see you in the next one. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.